Hello everybody, it's Adrienne again with WDW Bound, and we are doing another at-home Disney DIY cooking experiment. I call it an experiment because I never exactly know what I'm doing. But we are huge fans of the Ohana restaurant at the Polynesian Resort, and so my husband's favorite thing literally in the entire world is their marinated shrimp. I love the noodles, literally more than life itself. So I'm gonna be cooking a meal inspired by Ohana. I've used several recipes from Disney recipe sites, and hopefully, I think some of them are from Disney themselves. I don't know, we'll find out. I can't remember exactly. But the shrimp actually has to marinate for 2 days. So we're starting today by marinating the shrimp, and then in a couple of days, we're gonna make some noodles and some salad, and lapu lapu. I was trying to think, I couldn't remember exactly, but anyway. So let's get started on the shrimp. So for this recipe, we need shrimp, of course, canola oil, honey, salt, lemon juice, chili paste, or like a chili sauce, regular black pepper, ginger, and some minced garlic. All right, so now that all of our ingredients are out, we're gonna start out with a half a cup of this chili paste. Guys, I've never cooked with this before in my life, and it is quite possibly, like, it's intense. Yeah, it's intense. Okay, so we're gonna dip that in our little bowl. And then we need a tablespoon of the garlic. And I don't think my tablespoon's gonna fit down into that jar. So we're gonna do 2 of the half tablespoons. I love garlic, guys. Oh my god, so much. I spilled some. 1, 2. Then we need a half a cup of ginger. Good gosh. Alright, so I'm gonna do a half cup of ginger. Maybe a little more. Cup of ginger. This is gonna smell amazing. All right, and then a cup of honey. I've got a little honey jar here. I'm gonna use the same thing. It's all mixing together anyway, right? So there's a half cup. Look at that. Okay. Swirl that. See if I can get another half cup. I might need more honey. I think I need it for the dressing. Yeah, for the salad dressing too. Because I think it's a honey lime dressing. Might get another half cup out of here. All right, well, I'm an estimator, guys, so not quite a full half cup, but that's what we're gonna go with. All right, so the other half cup. I just love to watch honey drizzle. All right. And then we need 2 cups of lemon juice. So let's see how long this takes. I need 2 cups. Juice. Ah, spilled some. Poor pen. I'm sorry, pen. And I'm sure it'd be better if you use fresh squeeze, but that's not bad. Alright, so 1 cup. This is a lot of marinade. I wonder if I should have cut it in half for the amount of shrimp that I bought. We'll find out. Can it be too much marinade? You may know. Y'all let me know in the comments. Can you make too much marinade and like not have enough meat? All right, cup number 2. And then we need 1 quart of canola oil, which I think is 4 cups. So I'm saying, this just seems like a lot. All right, there's 1. Probably should have gotten my Pyrex out for this. 1. Now I'm worried it's not even gonna all fit in the bowl. 2. for. All right, and then the last thing we need is black pepper and salt. I need 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So let's see if I can find my little teaspoon. There's a half teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon going in, and 2 teaspoons. This is really hard to do one-handed, y'all. And there we go. Now let's whisk it all together. My whisk is clean. I didn't check before I started. I mean, it smells amazing. It's just a lot, right? That's just a lot. But it does say you're supposed to use some of it to like baste when you're cooking. So, we're gonna go with that. All right. Now let's open up the shrimp, get her in, and then we'll be good to go. All right. My shrimp are marinating. It smells really good, but I'm also kind of worried that like my refrigerator's gonna sink for a long time. So we'll check back in a couple days and I'll finish the rest of the meal. I'm really excited. All right, so we're back. It's been 2 days, so my shrimp is finished marinating and I'm gonna get started on that here in a second. But I'm also gonna be making a version of the yakisoba, I hope I'm saying that right, yakisoba noodles, also from Ohana. So I'm getting ready to make the glaze next. For that you need pineapple juice, some cornstarch, of course ginger, and some garlic, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some brown sugar. So let's get all that in the pot and hopefully it'll taste just as good because the noodles are my favorite part. All right, so I think I might have already screwed up, but you know, we'll make it work. I added in the brown sugar first because it was the first ingredient that was listed, and I don't know if y'all can hear that scraping, but I think some of it may have like melted and got stuck to the pan before I could add in the liquid ingredients. But yeah, we're just gonna make it work. The next thing we have to do is make a slurry with the cornstarch and the pineapple juice, and that'll kind of help to thicken up the sauce a little bit, and then we can add it to the noodles. Also, could not find noodles in the store, so we're going with just plain old ramen noodles, just without the seasoning packet, and hopefully we'll kind of get the same effect. We'll find out. All right, it's time to add the slurry. I have my wonderful daughter here holding the camera since this requires 2 hands.
Hello.
So I'm just gonna slowly add this in, and again, this is just pineapple juice and cornstarch to kind of help thicken it up a little bit. Give that some time to thicken up while the noodles are cooking, and then we can put all that together. All right, things are bubbling and definitely thickening up here in the saucepan, which is good because I always worry about that. And back here, I have drained the noodles and I added some shredded cabbage. Couldn't find any bok choy in the grocery store. You know, you gotta make do with what you can get these days, but there may be too much sauce for that amount of stuff. We'll find out. We'll find out. Let's see if I can pour this in one-handed without burning myself. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little worried. Nope, nope, got it. There we go. Making a mess. That's okay. That's what dishwashers are for. Still a little bit stuck in there, but all right. So definitely too much sauce. But I'm gonna kind of keep this on low. This is the first part of the meal that I've cooked. So I'm gonna keep that on low, and it may thicken up a little bit more. God, it smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. Seriously. Whew. All right, now let's get started on the shrimp. Shrimp are going. And I'm only doing shrimp. I'm not doing steak and I'm not doing chicken. We're just doing kind of simple. Noodles are still going. I told you I've never cooked shrimp before. Okay, so we're getting closer. We've got the pot stickers going. I was lazy, I did not make these. I just kind of bought some. The noodles still back there. The sauce is not thick enough anymore, but it's all right. Shrimp are done, and I have a salad. So it's gonna be really delicious. The only thing I have not been able to do yet, I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm waiting for my husband to get home from work because I'm gonna need his help. All right, final products. We have shrimp, which are tiny, but that's okay. Noodles, pot stickers, some salad, and a non-alcoholic latte. You wanna try some, May? And of course we had to use a Mickey straw.
This is very difficult.
It is gonna be very difficult.
I'm gonna lean over.
Okay. Thumbs up, huh? Are you ready to eat dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Time to eat. All right, May. What's your verdict?
It's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very good.
And just like at normal Ohana, the 6-year-old does not eat it. He got corn dogs instead. Right, little one? Yeah. All right, signing off. We'll see y'all later.